Hello students, myself Jagrati Balubai Patel, working as a lecturer in Vallabh Buddhi Polytechnic Navsari. Today I am going to discuss about the function in C language. This topic is related to the subject Advanced Computer Programming, and this is related to the diploma first year second sem students. This topic is considered as a Unit 3 in ACP subject. These are the subtopic of Unit-3 function. In this session, we discuss first 4 topic of a function. Let's start with the first. Here is the first point, which is the basic of a function. A function is a self-contained block of a code that performs a particular task. It is a definition of a function. A function is the way to collect the statement and put it into the one container and give it a specific name. And that part of a statement or that group of a statement we can use in anywhere in any program. This is the very useful concept in C language. Using this concept we can reduce the code of a program. In short, a function is a one form of the subprogram or subroutine. Every C program has a function, at least one function, which is a main function. The program is divided into the number of functions. Each function performs a particular task. In one program we can use as many as function you like. The next topic is about the built-in function and user-defined function. C function divided into the two parts, which is the built-in function and the user-defined function. First we discuss about the built-in function. Here is the built-in function. The function which are already available and placed inside the library is called the built-in function. So this function is also called as a library function or predefined function. Built-in function prototypes are declared in various header files depending on the category which it belongs to. Like we already use the printf and scanf function for the input-output purpose, and this function is related to the header file stdio.h library. So each built-in function is defined in any header file, and when we use that function which is already available, we can use the header file as a top of the program. Same way, for the string function we can use string.h. For the math function we can use math.h. And next one is the user-defined function. User-defined function means what? The function which is created by the user. It is not already available. We can create our own function that is known as the user-defined function. As main is an example of a user-defined function. Every program must have the main function, which is indicate where the program has to begin and its execution. We can also declare our function to perform a particular task and give it a specific name. But to create the user-defined function, three steps are necessary. First, we have to declare the function, then we define the function, and after calling the function. Next topic is, here is some example of a built-in function. First is the string function, then next one is the mathematical function, and last one is the other built-in function. This all function is already discussed in a string chapter. String function is, mathematical function is already discussed, and other function which is printf, scanf, is alpha, which is used for the particular purpose. After discussing about the built-in and user-defined function, here is the advantage of a function. As we discuss about the function, we know that the function reduces the code of a program. Function reduces the size of a code if that code is repeatedly used in a program. Function can be used in other program also. We can also call function to call itself. This is known as a recursion, and it allows a teamwork for the large project. Function reduces the size of complexity of a program. To help and avoid the repeating statement, which is used as a many times we use the function. Next one is a working of a function. A function, we know that a function is a one self-contained block in which we place the programming statement and give it a particular name. But when we need the function, need of the function is when the program may become too large and complex, and as a result the task of debugging, testing and maintaining become difficult. If this program is divided into a functional part, then each part may be independently coded and later combined into a single unit. These independently coded programs are called subprograms that are much easier to understand, debug and test. In C, such subprograms are referred as a function. Thank you. In next session, we discuss about the user-defined function.